Today, we'll be delving into the world of artificial intelligence and discovering some truly mind-boggling ways it can possibly help to make money. To begin, let me take you on a journey through the future of finance and technology, stock trading. Can you imagine the possibility of making money while you sleep? Harnessing the power of intelligent algorithms and trading stocks with uncanny precision. Well, our first stop on this AI adventure takes us right into the heart of the financial markets. Let's take a look at the AI-powered trading revolution. Gone are the days of flashy Wall Street traders and overcrowded stock exchanges. Today, algorithms do the heavy lifting. These AI-powered trading systems can analyze complex market trends, patterns, and user preferences. With their machine learning capabilities, they can make lightning-fast decisions that give humans a run for their money. Imagine having an AI pal, seamlessly executing trades for you, spotting investment opportunities, and capitalizing on every penny of profit. Remember, AI may be smart, but investing is still a finely honed craft. Gig economy. We all know how the gig economy has transformed the way we work, but get ready for the next level, the AI-infused gig economy. Imagine a world where AI platforms connect workers with tasks that perfectly align with their skills, preferences, and expertise. Whether it's content creation, design, coding, social media management, or even virtual assistants, AI will pair you with gigs that are tailored to your strengths. This AI matchmaking revolution increases visibility, efficiency, and ultimately, earning potential for gig workers everywhere. Say goodbye to hours wasted searching and say hello to a virtual assistant that finds projects that perfectly suit your talents. The future of gig work is AI, my friends. Marketing. Think of yourself as a marketer with an army of intelligent algorithms at your disposal. By leveraging AI's data processing capabilities, you can masterfully tailor marketing campaigns to address individual preferences, behaviors, and buying habits. With AI, every ad becomes a captivating piece of personalized art, grabbing the attention of individual consumers and winning their hearts. While it might not help you make money directly, it streamlines your marketing efforts, ensuring your products or services reach the right people at the right time, leading to increased conversion rates and, ultimately, more profit. Healthcare. Believe it or not, AI not only has the power to revolutionize the way we make money, but also how we stay healthy. Welcome to the world of AI-enhanced healthcare and precision medicine. In the race to find cures, AI emerges as a champion. It empowers physicians and researchers with tools like predictive analytics, disease diagnosis, and even personalized treatment recommendations. AI analyzes masses of patient data, accounting for countless variables, leading to improved diagnostic accuracy and highly personalized treatment plans. Creativity. Our final subject takes us closer to home, the intersection of AI and creativity. Can you imagine art, music, and literature all produced by machines? Let's explore the fascinating world of AI-embedded creativity. AI algorithms utilizing deep learning and neural networks can now create breathtaking pieces of art, compose symphonies, and even pen intriguing narratives. It's simply mind-blowing. But don't worry, dear artists and writers, AI isn't here to replace your talent. Rather, AI can be your creative companion, inspiring new ideas, accelerating your workflow, and enabling you to focus on what truly matters, adding that human touch. There you have it, 5 phenomenal ways to try and make money with AI. From AI-powered trading to the AI-infused gig economy, from personalized marketing to AI-enhanced healthcare, and even AI-embedded creativity, the opportunities are boundless. So, embrace the future, step into the world of AI, and let your wallet ride this fascinating technological wave. Remember, the future is here, and it's driven by artificial intelligence. So why not jump on board and try make some money along the way? Stay curious, stay innovative, and stay tuned for more exciting videos of future perspectives.